What is going on, everybody, and welcome to WRC9. WRC9 just launched a couple of weeks ago. The predecessor, obviously, to the WRC8 game that we usually play here on the channel. And yeah, we're gonna mess around with it. So Rally Estonia was last weekend. Oit ended up winning that. What, hello? Me. Who are you? I am me. So Rally Estonia was last weekend. I do not believe that Rally Estonia is on here. This is honestly 100% the first time that I have played this game. So we're gonna do a quick play. There it is. Okay, quick play. So here's the rallies we've got. We've got Monte Carlo, Sweden, Mexico, Argentina, Portugal, Italy, Kenya, Finland, New Zealand, Turkey, Germany, Wales, Japan, and Spain. So what I want to do is the Safari Rally is supposed to be like the new thing for this game. And since we don't have Estonia, I want to do something a little bit different. So we'll go to Kenya. Which one looks like the safest and funnest rally or stage? What do we got? What do we got? Let's try this. Let's try this one here, the Sayaba stage. So out of all of these cars, we're gonna want the WRC car. What's the bonus? Oh, they just got the Citroen from last year, the Legends cars. I didn't even know they had these. So we're obviously gonna go to the WRC cars, the big guys, the big guns. So the team that we want is the Hyundai i20. So obviously we're gonna go with Oit. I just want to kind of explore. So they do have Craig Green on there, which is cool. So let's take a look. Oh, Gus Greensmith, he's one of my favorite guys out there. I love Elfin Evans as well. Glad he's in a Toyota. All right, so we're jumping in Oit's car, Oit. I think next up on the rally calendar, it's a couple of weeks. I think they're giving them a couple of weeks before the next rally. I'm not exactly sure where they're going next. That's probably something I should know, but I just do not, because this year is obviously so odd with the coronavirus shutting everything down as far as rally goes. So, all right, we are straight up in the fucking jungle here. Okay, now like I said, I've literally never. Hello? Okay. Oh. Left 5 into Kinks 50. Oh my god. Dude, I've got... Something's not right. Something's not right. The wheel feels horrendous. Oi! Into left 5 now. Whoa. Hey. Okay. So I'm pretty sure like this was gonna be Kenya, which was gonna be obviously the big rally this year that was gonna really return. And it was going to be like an ode to the old Safari Rally, which is like, if I remember correctly, I feel like I definitely have seen like a car going through. Why did I get a 6-second penalty? What, I cut the track? Anywho, there was like there's a shot of like a rally car driving and like elephants, hate those, like just going through the wilderness, like this huge open desert. And I don't know if that's going to be in the game or not. I haven't messed with it or seen anything, so if I know me, I picked the stage that wouldn't have it, you know? Okay, through gate. Oh, here we go. Oh! See, this is just like how do you even know where to go? Oh, God! Oh, my God! Am I even where I need to be? This is a big jump. Okay. Hard brake. He said square right or left? I'm going to assume square left. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, wait. 6 cut into who? Into right 6 tightens over jump. Oh god! I feel like these notes are not very good for what I'm doing. Okay, alright, not talking a lot because I gotta concentrate. Because I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing. Hey, 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 first spin out, first spin out. Alright. He said something about a hairpin. How's that even? Oh, through the gate. Oh my. Oh! I have my handbrake set up as one of my shift paddles in dirt, so I wasn't expecting to upshift there. Ah! Oh! Oi! Hey! Get over there. This is so much just back and forth and flip and flop. It's like a pancake out here. We've gotten a 22-second penalty. I don't know what we could get in these penalties for, but that's kind of dumb. Left one, left one, left one. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. I feel like there's, like, the thing from Jurassic Park should be on the other side of this cage over here. Okay, something about a square right, square right, square right. Oh, definitely a square right there. Oh! There's a wall there. Oh my god. Get it together, Zach. And left 2 into right 2. Yep. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Hello, Mr. Tree. How are you today? Fantastic. Thanks for asking. Right 2 opens left 2. Keep into left 2. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Where? Ha! Oh, I didn't want to break there. Yeah, yo. Hey now. Right 3, don't cut into finish.
Yeah. Big art.
Fuck that. I don't want to do this stage. I want to do a different stage. Give me a different stage. Give me a different stage. One I can feel faster at. Here we go. Alright, this one I'm determined to be better. 100% determined to be better. This one, I feel good. Here we go. Right two. No way I picked the exact same stage, just backwards. That's what it feels like. Okay, if we could just get no penalties, we'll be fine. Into square left. Into square left. Where's my square left? Oh, it's up here. Okay. Into square. Oh! Everything's fine. Go. Okay, right two. Yeah, there it is. Alright, we're getting it now. We're getting it. Oh, whoa! Oh, it felt so good, and then I lost it. I feel like this one is going a lot better, though. Into right 4, left 3. It's a little bit tighter. A 6.76. Oh, those are just the seconds I'm down. Those aren't penalties. I just suck. What an idiot. Alright. Keep it together. Oh god. Ah, damn it. Back up. Go. Where am I? Hello? Alright, now we're making business here. Break, square, left, where? There. Oh, here we go. What did I hit? I hit something. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. Is there a different view? Oh god, oh my god! Okay, this is odd. Oh! Ooh, I don't like that one at all. I can deal with this though. Oh wait, what the hell was the call? Jump into long flat left. I don't think this counts as a long flat left. Oh shit. Oh shit. I assume I'm going through the gate. Yep. Yep. You're supposed to hit those, I heard. Oh! Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no 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 no. Tree? Did I miss the tree? I missed the trees. That's all that matters. How? Why are my wipers on? Can I turn the wipers off? Hello? What about that one? There we go. I got the wipers. Okay. So this game definitely feels just like a big reskin of WRC 8. The feeling is the exact same. I think Dirt 2 is a better rally game still. I don't know why. I'm just better at that than this. The wheel just feels very light and very loose, and I don't like that. I like kind of a little bit of a heavier wheel. Actually, feel like I'm, you know, like driving something in simulators. I probably just have to kind of adjust this. I did a little bit of an adjustment like right before the start of this stage, and it's definitely gotten a little bit better. Easily the biggest workout I've ever had on a rally game. Where'd those wipers go? There they are. And across the line. God damn. Hey, we did better than 15th. We did better than Kelly Robin Para. I'm sweating. All right, let's do the... All right, that is where we're going to end today. I've got to do a lot of testing and get this better because that was absolutely erroneous. I need to be able to get the wheel feeling the way I want for WRC9 so we can continue with the rally season. That's fun, though. I like this game. I like these games. Like I said, they're just a little bit... It takes so long to get the wheel set up for me, and I don't know why. So, but yeah. Make sure you use code ZBERRY at Triumph Chairs. Use code Reapers at Destined to Dominate. Get yourself some energy supplement. Go get yourself a nice ZBERRY shirt. What happened to my controller? Hello? What happened? I don't know. I lost all audio. Oh, I think my batteries are dead. I don't remember. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.